Alright, so we're set to get started with BerrySymposium 1.5, the next extension. If you open up BerrySymposium 1.4, you should go ahead and save it as Berry 1.5, BerrySymposium 1.5. If you notice, the diamond text is still in the middle, and we're going to work with that. It is locked though, so I can't move it at all. This installation is very complicated, but we're going to do our best. And if you need any assistance, please let me know. We're going to look at the ellipse tool on the left hand side. It may not be a circle, but I have a rectangle tool. If you click and hold, you'll get the menu for the ellipse tool, and click that. Keyboard shortcut L. Once you have that ellipse tool, the directions state to click anywhere near the center of the artboard. You can't get more than center right there. So we click that, we have the dimensions of our ellipse. We're going to make that 2.9 respectively for both. The default is inches. Please make sure it says inches. That ellipse tool is there. I like to click the selection tool after I use a shaping tool like ellipse or rectangle tool, just to make sure that I don't click another object. After that, you're going to center the ellipse tool. And once your X lines up in the center, you'll have that green line and the words intersect. After you center the ellipse, you're going to go ahead and click and hold the type tool to get the area type tool. Excuse me, not the area type tool. You're going to go down to type on a path tool. Click that type on a path tool, and it says to click the circle somewhere near the 10 o'clock on like a clock scale. So 12, 11, 10, right about there. You're going to click. Just like our last lesson, when you click on an object, like in diamond text, to type on the path or in that object, the object loses its color. This was filled with white, so there is no more white. We're on the path, and now we're going to type 3 rivers, all lowercase. After you type the 3 rivers, you're going to go ahead and hit the selection tool. Then make sure you click the 3 rivers to make it active. I'm going to zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Once 3 rivers is active, you can open up your character panel, and you're going to change that font to 47. Now as I zoom out, you can see that 3 rivers looks big, and it's kind of centered on top of your circle. So your 3 rivers should look just like this. I'm going to take time to break down these 3. I'm going to call them brackets. This is called if it has the arrow facing up on the bracket, it's called the center bracket. If it has an arrow facing the left, that's the left bracket, and an arrow facing the right is the right bracket. You have to take time to manipulate all 3 of these because we're going to need that in this selection. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'll start another video where we're going to copy this and manipulate the brackets to make it move around.